a giveaway, and that giveaway is of MK Fiend products. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anmol and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. As you know that my Diva series is going on and today is the day 4 of the Diva series. As I have completed 3 days, in first I have done the skincare, and in the second I have done the hair care, and third I have done the body care routine with you guys. And now I am just moving forward with the little steps. Now today is the video regarding the base makeup, as many of you guys find so much difficulty in doing the base and you can't achieve that proper flawless base. And in this video I will tell you what basically you have to do to achieve the perfect base. And for that, please continue watching my video and let's jump into the today's video. First of all, I will categorize the makeup into 2 categories, and that is the real makeup and the real makeup. Real makeup means what you see the makeup in reality, and the real makeup means what you see on your phones, your videos, or on your laptops. Most of the people, including me, edit their photos or the videos to make the picture more attractive, and you may also wonder that how someone can have that much flawless base or the flawless makeup. This all is editing. So what you have to do in editing, just the 10 minutes or the 15 minutes, all your problems in the makeup just transfer to the flawless makeup, and that is not in the real world. So today I will show you the real makeup. I will zoom my camera and you will see my problems, my problematic areas. You can see that how I cover that. ये नहीं होगा कि बिल्कुल flawless base हो जाएगा. थोड़ी problematic areas आपके visible होते हैं makeup के बाद भी, and that is not at all a big deal. So let's jump into the base. So this is my bare face. I don't have applied anything on my face. I have just washed my face. Now I will apply the oil, and the oil I am using is from Indulgio Essential Rose Gold Oil. Many a times I have talked about this oil, and this oil works amazing on your skin. Like I have finished 2 bottles of this, and this is my second bottle. I have almost finished. The dry skin people, take a good amount of the oil and just moisturize your oil. So I'm rubbing on my hands to make it more easier for my pores to accept this oil. So let your oil sit on the skin for at least 2 to 3 minutes, otherwise your makeup will be slipped off. Until my oil is sitting in my skin, let me tell you one thing. The oily person or the person who have a lot of open pores definitely use the primers. As I don't have any open pores, so I am skipping this step, but the oily skin person, you have to apply the primers on the area where your pores are open. And don't think that oily person don't require any CTM. They even have to moisturize their face very well. My skin has absorbed the oil, and now we have to turn in on the foundation. Always purchase the foundations which are matchable to your skin. Don't take too dark foundation or too light foundations. If you want to lift up your skin shade, then you can go with just 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Otherwise, prefer बिल्कुल skin की हिसाब से ही foundation. So if you are not very perfect in choosing the foundation, what basically you can do, you can purchase the 2 foundations, one lighter and one darker, and you can mix match that foundation and make your own foundation shade. So I know what shade goes to my skin, but as the artist I always purchase 2 foundations, lighter and the darker ones, because I can't buy the whole range of the foundation because everyone has its own shade color. And I will mix the 2 foundations. First foundation is the Maybelline New York foundation, and I am in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. As from the bottle you can see that this foundation is quite lighter, and I have to make my own shade. I will add one darker shade. So the darker shade I am adding is from Forever 52 Ultra Definition foundation, and I am in the shade FLF003. I will mix these 2 colors and make my own shade. Now you can see that my shade is ready. So I will just take the foundation and I will stipple on my face. I'm using the ProArt AK39 foundation brush. This is the best brush I have used till now. For more equal distribution of the foundation, I will apply with my fingers. As my neck is more sensitive, so I will not apply on my neck. If you have your pigmented neck, then you have to definitely apply on the neck, otherwise the shade will be differ. Don't stipple your foundation in this motion or like this motion and this motion, just like this, half wiping motion. Don't use the foundation which is very lighter to your skin tone, as it will not lift up your skin color. It will just make your problematic area more highlighted and it will make your base more grey. So in the darker foundation, the situation is different, that no one wants that their skin should look like more darker side. We apply the foundation to make our skin more even or like little bit lighter. So if you will choose the darker foundation, your face will look more dark. So don't leave your foundation till your jawline and take the foundation little bit downer, not exactly on the neck. Otherwise there will be line between the neck and the jawline. So first of all, I will conceal my all problematic areas and I will take the concealer shade which is exactly matchable to my skin, and after that I will use the highlighted concealer to make my face more lifted up. To hide all my problems, I am using this Tarte Shape Tape and I am in the shade Tan. So this concealer works amazing on my skin like the Tarte concealers. It covers all the problems and make my skin more flawless. So I always use the beauty blenders to blend my concealers because it just absorbs the extra product on my face. And now it's time to make my face more lifted up, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 29N light medium. Apply very little bit of this concealer because it is very full coverage concealer. It might look more heavier on your face, so apply it to the concealer. As you have seen that I have applied on my inner corners and this part of my under eye. This area will appear like my under eyes are more lifted up, and we most probably have the pigmentation on the inner corners and this part only. I just realized that my camera was off while I was applying the concealer on my highest point of the face. So I will tell you the points. Your highest point of your face, your bridge of the nose, your cupid bow and the chin, and this part like middle of the forehead, you have to apply the concealer on these parts. As you have always noticed that I apply concealer on my jawline, like just above, little bit above my jawline. This trick adds dimension to my face. So to set my under eyes and the whole face, I am using this Studio MAC Fix and I am in the shade NC35. So I have recently discovered this technique. I applied my compact first and after that I set with the loose powder. Loose powder gives little bit more coverage. Using the powder brush and just set your place where you have applied the concealer. So I have set my face with this compact powder and now I will use my loose powder. I am using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. As you know, this is my favorite loose powder and I am in the shade 15 Light. Taking my same sponge to apply my loose powder. Apply on the area where you have concealed your face. let your powder sit on your face for at least 1 minute, and after that we will dust off the powder using the same compact brush, and I will dust off my powder. So now my basic face is ready, and now I have to give more dimensions to my face by adding some bronzer or contouring and my blusher and the highlighter. For the sun-kissed look, I am using the bronzer from Hoola Benefit. So you have listened a lot of this bronzer, and this is really worthful. This is also quite good brush, but I don't like to use this brush because ये सिर्फ एक लाइन क्रिएट करते हैं, it doesn't blend very well. So I used this brush. This is like a rounder brush, makes my blending process more easier. And taking the bronzer, removing the excess, applying on the hollows of my cheeks. Take your bronzer till your hairline. ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आपने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा लगाया है, ये लगना चाहिए कि this is coming from inside. Blend it till here. So for hiding my fat, I am using the same bronzer on my jawline. So if you have larger forehead, then apply the bronzer on your forehead. So I have the normal size forehead, so I will apply the bronzer just near to my hairline because I don't want that this color and this colors differ. And with the same brush, I will contour my nose, taking my product and removing the excess. Blusher, I am using this Tatiest Glow blusher palette, and I am taking this coral color, applying my blusher just above my contour. So I don't want that इसमें और इसमें कोई line create और ये लगे कि ये भी अलग है और ये भी अलग है. So just diffusing my bronzer. For my highlighter, I am using the Forever 52 Professional Highlighter Palette. I am mixing these two shades. The only thing that you have to learn is the right technique to apply the makeup. I am applying the highlighter on my cheekbone. So I never apply my highlighter with these type of brushes because it just creates a line of the highlighter, and these brushes blend your highlighter. Sponge, it will just ensure that if I have applied anything in excess, it will absorb it. The last not the least step, I am using the fixing spray to lock all my base on the point, and it will just ensure that if there is any extra product on my face, it will set it on the place. So guys, this is my tutorial of the base makeup. So guys, I want to share one more thing with you guys, that is I am doing a giveaway, and that giveaway is of MK-Fien products. As you know, MK-Fien products are just amazing. I use on the daily basis, and that products are of skincare. In my previous video, you have seen that I have used MK-Fien products, and if you have not seen that video, that will be in the description box. You can go and check it out. So guys, if you want to take part in my giveaway, you have to do very simple steps that are, first you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below that why you want that product, and you can see the product is right here. You have to do same on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram and DMing the same that why you want that product, and the results will be announced very soon. So before leaving my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.